Hello guys, as you can see this is melting out the ceiling over here. We can see some leakage over here. I don't know it's for what. By the way, this is Bajaj TTSI 220 cruise, as I have used this sports keychain and few more changes. I have used this bike near about 1 year. Now only I detected this. Only a few days before it was alright, but now as you can see the radiator grill is also bending up little bit, and few scratches over radiator pipe. This is the self starter, and you can see the carburetor. It has shown some leakage over here, and this is the controller part. The starter key is over here. It has one more function to press it and rotate it like this. You can take out the key here. This is the parking light gets on.